mother, she brought me here. But this goes out to the man over there, the one that was here for my tears and fears. My stepdad looking out through the hard years. Back in the day, you met my moms, my sister, my brother, with me in her arms. You knew the situation, still you came through with food, cloth, and shelter. This is true. Maybe you're the reason I rock the show. You show me manhood, how to hustle and grow, and everything I know from head to toe about fixing on a car, the neighborhood bar, how to treat a woman and how to hold a job. You never made a move without having a plan. The mental strength, the backbone of the fam. You didn't talk a lot, but you did do a lot.
Stepfather, father, thank you for being there for me. Stepfather, father, thank you 'cause you always cared for me.
Yo, he stepped out, you stepped in, willing to defend my fam to the end. Much respect for the things you did. You took on a woman when she had 3 kids. I admire that, commend you for that. I guess you can tell by the words in the rap. It takes a great man to raise a son, especially when it's the next man's son. Fathers ran this family square. We gotta recognize the ones that's there, the ones that care, the ones that share. Thanks for the memories, Pop, they still glisten. The baseball games, sometimes we went fishing, sitting on the hood of the car, 4th of July, waiting for the firework to light the sky. This is your day, what a great day.
Stepfather, father,